Telegram, please check your internet connection and try again. Telegram login problem. So if you're having issue with the Telegram application and then it says you to please check your internet connection whenever you're trying to log in, the first step that you should do is just check your internet connection, because 80% of the time this could just be your Wi-Fi or your mobile data issue. So just make sure that your network is working just fine. Once you have ensured that your network is working fine, then we can conclude that the problem is with the login or with the app. So the couple of things that we can do is, if you're using iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. But for Android, long press the Telegram app icon until you see this eye icon, which is the app info button. So just come here. Once you're here on this page, what you want to do is simply scroll down and just go to storage. Once you go to storage, clear the cache files and also clear the data of your Telegram application, right? And once you've done that, then you should be able to open up Cash App and hopefully be able to log into your account. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you in the next video.